It's 7:40 in the morning, and a man is yelling at you about your landlord. You're standing in line at the coffee shop, the one on the corner of 5th and Main. He's behind you, on the phone, loud. The landlord raised the rent again, some faceless corporation, Riverside Holdings, LLC, probably some hedge fund in New York. You nod politely. You say, "That's rough." You own Riverside Holdings, LLC. You own the building he lives in. You own the coffee shop you're both standing in. You own the parking lot across the street, the laundromat on 9th, the strip mall by the highway, and 40% of the storage facility he drives past every day. You own half the town. And nobody, not this man, not your neighbors, not the barista who knows your usual order, nobody knows your name. This is what that life actually looks like. And by the end, I'll show you exactly how it's built. Because the way real wealth hides is completely legal, surprisingly cheap, and nothing like the movies.